Welcome everyone. Today's video, we're going to head down to B&Q. We're going to check out the plants just before the bank holiday weekend. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So we'll start here with these beautiful jasmine. Now these are completely hardy. The frost doesn't bother the flowers and they'll give you an absolutely brilliant display. Now, they're highly fragrant, and it's more so at night is where you'll actually smell them. And I think for the money just there, they're actually a really good price. Moving around then, so we've got some cottage style perennials, meaning these will actually come up in the spring and most of them will die back down. So these are 4 for £14 or £4.50 each. We've got a really good selection here. So just here to the left, these heucheras. So these are actually an evergreen, and these are a lovely addition to your garden. You can actually split all of these plants. I've actually done a video on how to divide your perennial, so I'll put the link down below. So like I've said, 4 for £14 are an absolute steal. Lots of different varieties of perennials. Now some here are verbena, my absolute favourite. Now, these normally come in sort of hot pink or blue, purpley colours that look absolutely fantastic. And the quality of all these plants are really, really good. Now, we have some lupins just here. Now, it is worth mentioning when plants are this small, they will flower this year, but they won't give you the biggest display. So just be patient with them. It's normally the second, third year and so on as to where they'll really go mad for you. So like anything, if you're buying small, just be patient with it. Delphiniums just here. These are one of my absolute favourite cottage style plants. Absolutely fantastic quality. You will need to support these, so pop a little cane in just to give them some help. So anemones just here to the left hand side. Again, they're all in a mix and match offer, 4 for £14. They're absolutely beautiful, these pink anemones. The flowers are really tough. They actually look quite temperamental in the wind and the rain, but they hold up really, really well. All of these are completely fully hardy, so you're not going to have any trouble with the frost. So primulas, again, super hardy. They're really lovely splash of colour, and the flowers look really, really delicate, as you can see just here. Now, B&Q have done really well there for £14. I actually really love these. So they've got saxifrage, which is the red ones just here. Again, these are actually in the 3 for £10, not in the same offer, but these will flower their socks off very early spring. And this is called Aubritia. Again, in the same offer, mix and match, 3 for £10. And these will flower the socks off as well. Both of these two plants are ground covers, which means that they'll just be a creeping plant. They look fantastic over a wall or in a rockery. So we have some beauties here. They're obviously heavily stocking up for the Easter weekend. Really lovely splash of colour here with this yellow. Super hardy, and the frost won't affect the flowers. So we've got some dianthus then for £8, loaded with buds. So again, these are a really good choice. These are something that you can plant out now and they'll flower all spring. Whether we have late frosts, wind, rain, they won't skip a beat compared to some of the plants that you can see in garden centres this time of year. Again, there we've got some Aubritia, but these are bigger, and these are £9. But I feel these are a touch on the expensive side when you can get smaller pots for that kind of price. And then we've got £8 for some sisters just there. I think that's just like randomly on the edge of this really colourful display. Now, actually, while I was at my local B&Q, they're actually having a bit of a revamp. They're taking down some of the old signs. So they're actually having 79 trolleys being delivered over the next couple of days. So I can't wait to get down there and see what they've got. So just here then we've got the lilies. All of these are on a mix and match offer, and there's several different colours. They're only just shooting, so I actually prefer to buy them small like that as opposed to larger plants. They tend not to do so well with the big flower buds on. So buy small when it comes to the actual lily bulbs. So we've got phlox then in here. They are a lovely ground cover plant, normally come in sort of white, pinks and purples just there. So French lavender, these are absolutely beautiful. They are in a offer. Now, the only thing you need to bear in mind with French lavender is it's not quite as hardy as the English lavender due to the flowers being out now. Having said that, I think you'd be really, really unlucky to have a very, very harsh frost to actually make a dent on those flowers, but just bear that in mind. They don't quite come through spring as good as the English lavender. More scabious then. This is an absolute beauty. One I definitely need to add to the garden for £9. Normally come in purple or pink, and they are a spreading variety. Again, you can divide those as well. Ericiums, the wallflowers then, so we've got some more just there. Great selection of. Now, it's normally the yellow ones which are highly scented, and as you can see, at £9 just there. The purple ones are scented, but these particular ones, anything with a coral colour, and I'm all over it. I absolutely love the colour scheme of sort of brightly coloured oranges and reds. So £9 for the silver wings. Absolutely love those, and one of my favourites is called a beginner cordifolia for £8. Come in either white or pink, and really just look at those flowers. They're absolutely beautiful. There's a lot of colour coming into the garden centres now, and as I've discussed, not everything is quite as hardy as the plant next to it. So £9 for these bowls just here. Now, these are hardy, but they can take a little bit of a hit with a cold night, so just bear that in mind. And then we've got Perennials just here for £7. I absolutely love the colour of these blue ones with the delicate flower. Super hardy. Like I say, wind, rain, doesn't matter. They won't skip a beat. And again there, that hot coral colour is my absolute favourites. They've got a few different colours in stock though, as you can just see there, from dark pinks, purples and a couple of whites, and they're all £7, but unfortunately they're not in any offers. Moving on to larger bowls, and these are quite pricey, £18. In my opinion, they're a little bit pricey, but again, the colour, absolutely fantastic. The quality, like all of B&Q's plants, are really great, really, really good. So just here then, we've got more dianthus. So again, very, very hardy plant. Now, these are a 6-pack for the offer. There's not too many flowers open with those, but they are loaded with buds. And again, as mentioned before, dianthus will flower very early spring all the way through spring. You've just got to keep taking those dead heads off. Now, this is actually a plant I've not actually seen before, or it's been a few years since I have. So this beautiful blue flower that you see just here will flower all spring long, but I actually believe that this needs an ericaceous compost. So just bear that in mind when you're planting them up. And then we have these beautiful daisies just here, £7.50. There's a few buds on, but as you can see, they're not loaded with buds. But again, this will flower from now all the way through spring. Just be mindful of the frosts, because the frost will nip all the flowers and all the buds off. So just bear that in mind. And then we've got some beautiful yellow ones just here. And as you can see, there's not many left, because that striking yellow colour, it actually doesn't do it justice on camera. One of my absolute favourite herbaceous perennials. So this comes up every year, completely fully hardy, 3 for £12 or £5 each, and that's the anemone. So these come in either a white or a blue. They're heavily stocked up on the blue variety, but it also comes in white, so you might be lucky enough to catch some of those in your local B&Q. They've still got a really great selection of bulbs, and they've not what I call blown, so they're still either happily flowering or yet to flower. So these muscari just here, also known as the grape hyacinths, are looking fantastic, and I think they're all in the same offer as well. So that's really, really great. They're all on a mix and match, which is fantastic. I'm just doing a bit of plant hygiene there. I can't help myself, I just need to put it back on. So Really great selection. So moving on, we've got the alliums in 6 packs, 2 for 14. Again, they're all a mix and match, so you don't have to have the same varieties. They're on the same barcode. So that's really fantastic there. Moving on to narcissus. So daffodils got really tight little white flowers with the yellow eyes. I think they look really, really lovely. And as you can see from the shot just here, they've got plenty still in stock and they've got lots of life still left in them. £6 then for alliums. There's several different varieties, including the either red or purple giant. Now, they're all £6. Unfortunately, there's no offer on these, and there is a few which have the actual bulb heads ready to go. So my recommendation would be buy one with a bulb head coming, because you'll just get to watch the whole thing grow. Top tip for the day. So 3 for £10 then with smaller ones. As you can see, they're not quite as big as the £6 ones, but I feel that's a pretty decent deal. Now, bear in mind, when these have actually finished, these will be sold off for half marked price. So that's a really good tip if you want to get more bulbs in the garden, but you don't want to pay the top prices. And if you're a regular like me who keeps going back, you'll see these be reduced in a few weeks. Some nice bowls then for £10. Tulips, my absolute favourite. I have actually got these yellow ones in my garden, and they're flowering fantastically at the moment. It's my first year of them actually coming up, and they look great. And they were planted not last year, the year before. They didn't flower for me last year, which tends to happen. It can happen with bulbs. You turn what's called blind, but just be patient with them. Don't rip them up. Just let them do their thing. Now, these are the impulse buys, right? So we're going to talk about some good things and then some things that you need to just keep an eye on. So these violas, fully hardy, won't skip a beat, and they're a fairly good deal for what they are, right? So pansies and violas, completely hardy. You don't need to worry about those when it comes to cold nights or frost and things like that. These beautiful things are called Ballis daisies, normally come in a white or a pink. And again, they won't skip a beat. The only thing it will do, if you get a heavy frost, it might just nip the lovely flowers, so you'll just need to cut those off just there. They've got some more dianthus pinks, and again, dianthus pinks I spoke about a little bit, or that sweet William. They are pretty hardy and they will take a few frosts. These are really lovely, so more ericeums, more wallflowers, again very highly scented and completely hardy, so you haven't got to worry about planting those out. Same for ranunculus. Beautiful flowers on these. Just look at those colours. The only thing you need to do with ranunculus is just make sure you're deadheading them very often, just to keep the best out of the plant. There's a few yellowing leaves on ranunculus, which is completely normal this time of year. You just need to pot them up or get them into the ground just to support them. £5 then for 20 plants with violas. I think that's a cracking deal for 20 plants. It's brilliant. I actually did a short video on planting out some violas, and I'll put the link down below if you guys want a quick how-to. These are the sort of things you need to watch out for. So 4 for £15 on geraniums. These are not frost hardy. They're not quite ready. I didn't knock that off, by the way. I had spotted that. I spotted that it actually got the crown just knocked off just there. But just bear that in mind. These are not frost hardy. So if you plant these out now, they may struggle. Well, I say may, they will struggle. If you've got a greenhouse, lucky to have a greenhouse or a shelter spot in the garden, then absolutely. If you've got a heated greenhouse, then go for it. Or if you want to bring them into a windowsill and grow them on a little bit, then I'd highly recommend you do that. I'm not putting you off buying them. I'm not saying don't buy them. I'm just saying bear that in mind when you want to pick them up. They're going to have to be in a warmer environment than the garden. Just for a couple of 3 weeks. Let's get into May and then reassess it. So again, there, more alliums. Allium being in the onion family, £6. And these are my absolute favourite. Just look how beautiful these are. Fully hardy, £6. These would make a brilliant addition to my garden. I might just see if they've got a couple reduced in a few weeks when they finish flowering, because I'm that tight. And more scabious. So again, I spoke about these. Fantastically hardy. They don't skip a beat. £7. I feel like they're a fairly decent price, and I need to get a couple of those in my cottage style garden at the front. More ericeums then, £7. Again, we've touched upon these. They are a fragrant plant, but the the yellow varieties and the orange varieties are much more fragrant than the purple. Lobelias then, these are exactly the same as the geraniums. These are not frost hardy, so bear that in mind. You're going to have to grow these on in a windowsill, greenhouse, summer house, if you're lucky enough to have it. If you do want it, then great. Same for these snapdragons. If you do want them, great, and I'm not putting you off buying them. I'm just simply saying, just make sure you give them some protection, even if you chuck some fleece over them or something if you want to get them going. Geraniums, 4 for £15. Again, these are not frost hardy, so just watch the weather and you can see a really great selection. Sonetti then, £7. They've got them in 5 for £5 in B&M. Look at those. Like, honestly, when these hit the shops, we know it's nearly time to get planting out, because these always hit the shops a little bit earlier than it's actually time to plant them out. But don't they look great? And there's a pink variety, which is like an electric pink. It doesn't even look real, which is absolutely beautiful. Now, if you want to go the extra mile, by all means plant these up, and then what I would tend to do is bring them in at night. I know it sounds like a lot of hassle. It does. £7 though, I think it's a fairly decent price. But what I was saying was, plant them up in a pot, leave them out in the day, bring them in at night. Put them out in the day, bring them in at night. That was what's called harden them off. That'll give you a far better chance, and at least you'll get some beautiful colour in the garden. And they're my absolute favourites. So again, here, 4 for £14. We've got the packs of 4 trays of geraniums. Again, they're not frost hardy, so you're going to have to do a bit of work with that. Either hang on buying it, or cover them up with some fleece, or take them in and out at night, and all that sort of good stuff. But this is the impulse buy at the front of the shop, so bear that in mind. But yeah, so going back to these beautiful yellow bulbs, these would be my buy. There we have it. As you saw from the footage, they're actually redoing our plant area in Mere, Stoke-on-Trent. And I got talking to the guy, and they've actually got 79 trolleys being delivered in the next couple of days. So when they're out, I'll head back down and I'll do a fresh video on the new stock. But if you enjoyed this one, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. Until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.